Hello, my dear children. I hope you all must be keeping well at your home and revising all the lessons whichever are taught by me in this video. So, do stay safe at home and listen to our today's lesson very carefully. So, tell me, children, what did we learn yesterday? So, we learned about the place value. Now today we are going to learn about the expanded form of a number. Okay, now just look over here. See, expanded form of a number. So which number is this? It is 42. Can you tell me the place value of 4 or 2? So before telling the place value, what we are going to do, children? We are going to make the column of tens and units. Okay. T is standing for tens, U is standing for units. So 4 is in tens place. For that reason, place value of 4 is what? So place value of 4 is 40. And 2 is standing at unit place. For that reason, place value of 2 is 2 only. This thing we learned 40 and 2. So 40 plus 2 is 42. So yesterday we learned about this place value. Now from these only we are going to learn how to expand the given number. So this is expanded form of a given number actually. Okay. 40 plus 2, it is the expanded form of the 42 number. So let's see which number is this. It's 52. So let us divide into tens and units column. 52. In 52, the place value of 5 is what, children? So the place value of 5 is 50. 50. That is 510. What is the place value of 4? So the place value of 4 is 4 only, as it stands at units place. So tell me in words this is. Which number is this and which number is this? So it's 50. Spell out F-I-F-T-Y. It's 50. 50 and this is 4. So 50 and F-O-U-R 4. So 50 plus 4 is the expanded form of 54 number. Is that clear, children? The place value of 54 or 5 and 4 is 50 and 4. But the expanded form, how we are going to say? So we are going to say 50 plus 4. It is the expanded form of number 54. Did you get, children? See the next example. It's number 83. So let us divide it into tens and units column. Place value of 8 is what? Place value of 8 is 80, 810, 80. And place value of 3 is 3 units, because 3 is standing at units place. 8 is standing here at tens place. So 810. So now tell me this number in words. This is 80. So tell me the spelling of 80, children. E-I-G-H-T-Y. It's 80. Okay. 80. And the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E. So it's 80 and 3. That means 80 plus 3 is 83. So this is the expanded form of number 83. 80 plus 3 is the expanded form of 83. See the next example. It's 92. So let us divide into tens and units column. So in 91, what is the place value of 9, children? The place value of 9 is 90, 90, 910. Why it is 90? Because 9 is standing at tens place. So 9 group of tens, that means 90. And what is the place value of 1? So the place value of 1 is 1 unit only. Now tell me the number names of these numbers. So it is 90. Spell out 90, children. N-I-N-E-T-Y. It's 90. And it is 1. O-N-E 1. So now how we are going to write the expanded form of number 91? 91 means 90 plus 1 is 91. So 90 plus 1 is the expanded form of number 91. So children, did you get this? I hope you must have got the expanded form of the given number. How to write the expanded form? It's simple only, children. Whatever place value we are writing now, that same place value we have to write, but we have to give the sign of addition, sign of plus. Okay, we are going to give in between plus sign, and that makes the expanded form of the given number. See, it's place value only. 50 and 4, it is the place value only. But 50 plus 4, it is the expanded form of 54 number. Did you get, children? Now we are moving towards in our textbook. So children, open your maths textbook. See page number 17. Page number 17. And see the expanded form of a number. Now children, I am reading the information whatever is given. You have to keep your finger and read it in your mind with me. See, the place value of 3 in the number 35 is 30. The place value of 5 is 5. Now why it is 30? Because 3 is standing at tens place. And why it is 5? Because 5 is standing at units place. Therefore, the number 35 means 30 plus 5. So 30 plus 5 means 35 only. So 30 plus 5 is the expanded form of number 35. So see children, 30 plus 5 is called the expanded form of 35. The expanded form of 94 is what? So 90 plus 4. 90 plus 4 is the expanded form of 94. The expanded form of 60 is what? So the expanded form of 60 is 60 plus 0. Did you get, children? Now look into the next example. Can you see the number 35? So what is the place value of 3? It's 30. And what is the place value of 5? It's 5. So write over here T and U means tens and units. So 30 and 5. So 30 and 5 is the place value of 35. And what is the expanded form? So 30 plus 5 is the expanded form of 35. Plus sign is important. Okay, while writing the expanded form, plus sign is important. You have to write the place value only, but in between you should give the sign of plus. Now see the next example. It's 24. So write over here tens and units. So in 24, 2 place value is 20 as it stands at tens place, and place value of 4 is 4 only because it is standing at units place. So 20 and 4, and 20 plus 4 is the expanded form of 24. Okay, 20 plus 4 is the expanded form of 24. Now it's 73. So tens and units. 73. 70 plus 3 is the expanded form of 73. Did you get? Place value is 70 and 3. Only in between, if you give the sign of plus, it becomes 70 plus 3, and that is the expanded form of 73. Now the next number is 49. So 40 and 9 is the place value of 49, and 40 plus 9 is the expanded form of 49. Did you get, children? Now see the next question. From the above, can you see that the expanded form of, now see, here 35 number, but 35 numbers expanded form is what? So 30 plus 5 is the expanded form of 35. 73. So what is the expanded form of 73? 70 plus 3 is the expanded form of 73. 24. So 24 expanded form is 20 plus 4. 49. 49 expanded form is 40 plus 9. Did you get, children? So they can give you opposite way also. 30 plus 5 means which number? So 35. Otherwise 35 expanded form is what? So 30 plus 5. It is like that. I hope you must be enjoying and you must be getting whatever I am teaching. So let's move on to our question. Write the expanded forms of the following numbers. Now see, children, in one column they have given all the numbers, whereas in the second column you have to write that numbers in words, and in the third column you are going to write the expanded form. It's so simple. You are getting me or not? Let's see. What is the first number? The first number is 32. So let us divide into tens and units column. 32. 32 means 3 tens and 2 units. So let us write the place value of 3 is 30 and place value of 2 is 2 only. That means 30 and 2. So how we are going to write the number in words? It's 30 and 2. And what is the expanded form? 30 plus 2 is the expanded form of number 32. Did you get, children? Now see, what is the next number? It's 10. So write the place value of 10. 1, 0, 10 and 0. Here why 0? Because since the 0 is standing at units place, so place value is 0. And here why 10? Because 1 is having tens place, so 1 10. Did you get? Now how you are going to write? You are going to write 10 and 0. 10 and 0. See, 10 and 0. That number in words. And what is the expanded form? So 10 plus 0 is the expanded form of number 10. Now look into the next example. It's 64. So what is the place value of 64, children? 60 and 4. It is the place value of 64. So why it is 60? Because it stands at tens place. And why it is 4? Because it stands at units place. And how to write these number in words? So spell out 60, children. S-I-X-T-Y. It's 60. And 4, F-O-U-R. It's 60 and 4. And what is the expanded form? 60, 60 plus 4. So it's 64. Now look into the next example. It's 17. Let us divide into tens and units. The place value of 110 is 110, 0. 1 is 110, 1, 0. And the place value of 7 is 7 only. 7 units. What is the number? 10 and 7. Here it is 10 and 7. S-E-V-E-N. 10 and 7. And what is the expanded form? So 10 plus 7 is the expanded form of 17. So I hope, children, you must have got our today's topic, that is the expanded form of a number. And how to write the expanded form? It is so simple. You are going to write the place value only of the given number. Only in between you are going to write the sign of plus. If you are writing if you will write the sign of plus, then it is becoming the expanded form of the given number. Is that clear? So did you understand or not whatever I taught you today? Today we learn about the expanded form. So what is the meaning of expanded form? So it's similar to place value only in between we are going to give the sign of plus. Let's have some more practice on the blackboard. See now which number I wrote here. Again I have written number 25. Okay, so tell me the place value of 25. So we will divide the tens and units column. The number we will divide into tens and units column. Place value of 2 is 210, that is 20. Place value of 5 is 5 units, that is 5. And how to write that number in words? We are going to write 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. It's 20. And this is 5. F-I-V-E. 20 and 5. And the expanded form is 20 plus 5. So this is the expanded form of number 25. Did you get, children? Then we'll move on our next example. It's 36. So before writing the place value of 36, we will divide the number in tens and units column. The place value of 3 is 310. 30. 3 times 10, 30, 30. The place value of 6 is 6 only. And how to write the number? It's 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. And this is 6. S-I-X. 6. 36. And what is the expanded form of this number? 30 plus 6. Okay. So 30 plus 6 is the expanded form of the given number 36. So children, I hope you have got our today's topic. How to write the expanded form. How the question will come in the exam. The question will come that give the expanded form of 36. So what you are going to write? You are going to write direct these answer. 30 plus 6. What is the expanded form of 25? So 20 plus 5 is the expanded form of 25. Isn't it easy, children? Now look here. What is the expanded form of 54? So 50 plus 4 is the expanded form of 54. What is the expanded form of 83? 80 plus 3 is the expanded form of 83. What is the expanded form of 91? So 90 plus 1 is the expanded form of 91. So children, I hope you must have got our today's topic of expanded form of a number. What is your work now? You have to go from this topic again, read it out carefully, understand it, and do write this question. Write the expanded form of the number, this question only, in your rough notebook and show to your parents. Okay? Till that, take care. Stay safe at home and do obey your parents also. Thank you.